Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing in and ensuring network and power. This avoids interruptions. Once logged in, open the system tray in the lower right, then click the gear icon to open settings. Make sure you use the primary account because some info hides on managed devices. You're beginning the identification process now. The Settings app leads to device details and system info, so don't waste time navigating elsewhere. Once in Settings, scroll to About Chrome OS or About Device to reveal model and OS data. This is where the how and why matter. You'll see the model name, model number, Chrome OS version, and build. Write or screenshot these identifiers because they tie to specifications. Make sure to open additional details or diagnostics to view CPU, RAM, and serial number. These confirm exact SKU and help with support, upgrades, or spare parts decisions. Now confirm the model by matching the on-screen model and serial with any sticker on the underside or inside the hinge. This prevents mismatches. You can also open Chrome, //system or Chrome, //version for raw identifiers if setting seems incomplete. If data is missing or the device is managed, try signing out a secondary account, run a power wash only after backing up, or check the firmware label. If problems persist, contact support with the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.